Bicol University, or fondly called BU, is a prominent university in the Bicol region. Established in 1969, it has grown into a respected institution known for its commitment to scholarship, leadership, character, and service. Bicol University College of Science, or BUCS, is located at the main campus at Rizal Street, Legazpi City. The campus offers programs such as meteorology, chemistry, biology, computer science, and information technology.
Bachelor of Science in Computer Science program under the College of Science is a 4-year program that equips students with the knowledge and skills needed to develop software applications, design algorithms, and solve computing problems.
Hello everyone! Today we're here at Bicol University College of Science. We're going to interview some students enrolled in BSCS, and we're going to ask them why did they choose computer science as their bachelor program, what it's like to be a student of computer science, and their overall goal as a student here at Bicol University. So ngayon nakahanap tayo ng isang computer science student and we're going to be interviewing him. Hi sir, can I ask what is your name?
Jericho po.
My name is Kel Archelby Roque.
My name is Jomar Cardino.
Can we know po, anong year nyo na po?
4th year na po.
Bachelor of Science Computer Science. I'm a 4th year student right now.
I am a BSCS 4A graduating student.
Why did you choose ComSci?
Actually po, yung first choice ko sana is engineering. Kaso, hindi ko napasa. Kaya, nag-com-sci na lang since mahilig naman sa games.
I choose computer science because being a practicality person, a lot of people saying that if you graduate in computer science, many jobs will offer you and many high errands and parang malalaking sweldo ang makukuha mo daw pag naka-graduate ka daw sa computer science.
I choose computer science because it is my passion in computers and I want to learn more about computers and the technologies and enhance my skills at programming. Yes.
Can we ask what it is like to be enrolled as a computer science student?
Actually, I did not expect kasi may coding pala, tas mahirap pala yun. I think we can expect as a com-sci student na it's hard, pero kaya naman po siya gawin.
Okay.
My experience in being a computer science student is hassle because need mo talaga maging mag-patient sa mga gagawin kasi yung mga code natin is talagang hassle talaga, daming hindi naman sa kakabisaduhin, like aalamin natin bawat functions ng mga code na ginagamit natin. And kailangan mabusisi din tayo kasi minsan like onting spaces or somewhat na symbols na nasusobran, hindi na gumagana yung code. So bale, being a computer science student is we need to more be patient and relax. May kasabihan nga na pag gumana na yung code, wag mo nang gagalawin.
As a computer science student, you will go through a lot of problems every day, solving a lot of algorithms that you need to. As a computer student, of course, you will feel so sleepless one day.
Yeah, of course.
And because there's a lot of things in computer science that you need to do, not just programming. Also, you need to take care of your schedules on the subjects that you need to take as a career.
Can you ask ano yung long-term goal mo as a student?
Long-term goal, I think since pa-advance naman po yung technology natin, so I can integrate yung learnings para sa future, para paging future proof po yung like sa career or sa other profession.
My goal is to become a professional web developer kasi I like to work in IT industry. Yun ang goal ko.
My goal as a student is to graduate, of course, find a decent job after this semester because I am graduating, and learn more about computer stuff, especially AI and the emerging technologies related.
University hosts a vibrant event calendar throughout the year, from the bustling BU Week, celebrating university pride, to the specialized CSIT Days and SciTech Week, showcasing innovation and discovery. Students can always find something engaging and enriching to participate in. Additionally, BU fosters a sense of community through various cultural and social events, ensuring a well-rounded university experience beyond academics.